Hey guys, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make egusi soup. I'll be using stockfish for this soup, onions, seasoning cubes, yellow pepper. This is salt. This is blended crayfish. This is grinded egusi, and this is onugbu bitter leaf, and this is palm oil. So let's get started. I'll be making use of beef meat for this soup, so earlier before now I have washed it thoroughly. If you want to get rid of bitterness in your bitter leaf, this is how to do it. Place a pot of water on fire, allow it to boil very well. Then you add in your bitter leaf. Do not cover. Emphasis on do not cover your pot. Allow the pot to be open while boiling. While the bitter leaf is boiling, I went ahead to spice the meat that I'll be cooking with. I spiced the meat with salt, onions, yellow pepper, and seasoning cubes. Yellow pepper is a game changer when it comes to cooking. After seasoning the meat, the next thing I added was stockfish, and I stirred it very well. The next thing is to check the bitter leaf. If you try to cover the pot, the bitterness will be worse than it was before. At this point, the bitter leaf is done, so I brought it down and sieved out the water. I added some cold water to wash it off. After that, I checked on the meat and I added some water. At this point, let's blend the onions. I know you'll be asking what I'm using the onions for, don't worry. After blending the onions, I added into the grinded egusi. Lest I forget, this is 2 cups of egusi. Stir it very well till it comes out like this. At this point, the meat is almost done. I added red oil to the meat stock. I allowed it to cook for some minutes before adding the egusi paste. I scooped in the egusi into the pot gradually. After scooping it into the pot, I just covered it. Please do not stir, just cover and allow it to cook very well. After some minutes, I added osu. Yes, this is grinded osu, and I don't know the English name of this. Please help me in the comment section if you know. After some minutes, I added dry fish. I prefer adding it now so that I can be seeing the fish in the soup. The dry fish is neatly washed. The next thing I added was blended pepper. The next thing I added was blended crayfish and ogiri. Yes, I blended ogiri and crayfish together. After which I stirred and covered to cook for a very long time. At this point, the soup is almost done. I went ahead and added bitter leaf. After some minutes, I opened the pot and stirred it very well. Omo, look at soup now. This is giving delicious, delicious, delicious. At this point, the soup is done and ready to be served. What will you be pairing this soup with? Semo, fufu, garri? Just let me know in the comment section your favorites. And please, if you have watched to this extent, thank you very much. May God bless you. I really appreciate. At the same time, let me use this opportunity to thank all my new subscribers. You all are the best. I really appreciate, and you all are welcome to Zini's Diaries and Recipes. And please, if this is your first time of tuning into this channel, please consider subscribing. And again, always like and comment. I love reading you guys' comments. It encourages me. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.